Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Agus. This video is made for my last test of subject Dasar Komputer in my college with lecturer Pak Ardi. In this video, we'll try to make a calculator with C. We will make a program of calculator with C language. The screen is we will use Dev C++, but even if it is Dev C++, we will make a C program, not C++. Okay, we will use Dev C++ application. But first, I need to show that this video is really made by Muhammad Agus. See in here my name, Muhammad Agus. Muhammad Agus Budiansyah, batch 13. My NPM 130-641-5850. Let's see the application now. To make any program in Dev C++ or in C language, at first we need to define the language, the library I mean, for every program. In our program, in this video calculator, we will use for library. We will use for library to okay, just see the screen. I type include stdio.h. stdio stands for standard input and output. H stands for header. And second, just copy it, is stdlib standard library dot header. And the third, because we will use arithmetic function, we need library math.h, so the every arithmetic function will run correctly. Last function is kind of different than before, Konya.h. Okay, I'll explain you what kind of library is here. Include stdio standard input and output. It's very common library you to use, so we will have input and output function in our program. The second one is standard library. It is the most basic library in C. And the third here, it is math.h, mathematic, so we can use any function of arithmetic with this library. And the last library is not basic, it is always is used to every console program in C, so we have a better screen, better function in your screen of program Windows. Okay, let's start. After define the library, we'll continue to the function that we will use in your program. The first function, I'll name it void menu. In every line in C program, in C language, we always use in this symbol in every last line. The void menu is the main menu to show the main menu itself. So in our program, we will have main menu and continue to the specific function. I will give you some function, so we can jump from the main menu. You choose the function, we run the function and done the function, and we back to the main menu, so you can choose another function. The second function is void process. This is the variable that we will use in this function, and then we will define the variable that we will use. In my program, I will name it x, y, e, hasil, atas, bawah, total. I name this in bahasa. It is Indonesian. I will explain it. Hasil means the process, and atas means the upper, bawah is the down, and total means total. Next, we have the variable here, and we continue to run the process. This is the main function. Write it like this: void open. Like usual, in every function we need to define the variable. In this function, I will use two variables, pil and ulang. Pil stands for pilihan, or in English is choose. Ulang means repeat in English. Okay, next I will use printf. Printf function is to display any character inside this symbol, so we can put anything in here, so it will display in the screen. I will make the title of the program Calculator by Muhammad Agus Budiansyah. The symbol again like this, atlas line. Okay, we will use the function of menu in here. Of menu, in the main menu we will have printf again, /n//n. So what is the function of /n? /n used to have to give enter distance for your character. So if I don't give this, the character that is displayed by this function will continue in here. So in the program, it is just will become one line, not 2 or 3 line. Okay. After /n, we write what character we want. I'll write what. Don't forget this. What you want to do. So it is kind of interactive, asking the user what he want to do in this calculator. After that, we will use scanf. Scanf, the function is used to have to make an input for the user. So it is the program will be interactive. The user will have to put input. What kind of input? See the next. And apostrophe %i %, and pil symbol again. So I write like this. This is for the character. E stands for integer, and pil is a variable like what I defined before. Pil in here, in English it means choose. So in this scanf, we will input a character that show what you will choose, what you want to do, what we will choose in this program of calculator. After the scanf, we hit the process, right? So we will write here process pil. So the input that you put in here will be processed in here. Process pil. Okay, done. And we will have another function printf Just see this. I write this. After we have the counting, we need to come back to the main menu, right? So I will make that way. The way to come back to the main menu. Want another counting? If yes, you press 1. If not, you press 2. And of course, we need input in here. Scan F percent I. We will use variable ulang. Just like before, I use variable pair, and here I already defined the variable, and now I use variable ulang. So I have defined too the variable of ulang. It's almost done the function, so we can jump from main menu to the process, and we can jump back to the main menu.